The sun is shining. I would love to be at the beach, but what better way to spend my day than out filming? If I'm honest, I'm probably a little bit hot, but not as hot as my new listing. I'm Jamie Newbold, property partner from CR Real Estate, and welcome to Barnsole Road. Come inside, let's have a look around. Barnsole Road is a fantastic residential location away from the busy town centre, but we're only 1 mile away from the train station offering high-speed links into London. We're also in the catchment area of a number of great primary and secondary schools. The ground floor we have this spacious living area which has plenty of space for all the family and access to the rear garden. We've also got the separate kitchen, cloakroom WC. There is also access to the garage. And with the right vision, this could easily be converted into another reception area, study, or even open the wall up for a kitchen diner. Upstairs we have these 4 great sized double bedrooms. This one, the master, has the added benefit of an ensuite shower room, as well as the separate family bathroom. Externally we have a private garden to the rear with side access as well as off-road parking to the front. This spacious and bright family home really needs to be high up on your viewing list. If you'd like to arrange an appointment to come and see this, give us a call on the details below.